Long press the grind button until the indicator flashes and the grinder starts grinding the beans. Release the button when the desired amount of powder is reached. The machine beeps once. The setting is done. Note: adjustable time range is 4 to 18 seconds. To restore factory settings, long press both the power and ground buttons until all the indicators flash twice and the machine beeps once. 3-point to brewing time settings. Long press the single or double cup button until the corresponding indicator flashes and the machine starts to dispense coffee. Release the button when the desired coffee volume is reached. Note: the maximum volume is 125 milliliters for single cup and 250 milliliters for double cup. Long press the power and single or double cup button until the single or double cup indicator flashes twice. Then the factory setting of brewing time is restored.